Here's a quick tip on Workshare Compare. Compare for Excel clearly differentiates the changes made by a user and the changes made automatically by Excel. Compare for Excel automatically hides any formatting applied in the source documents so that your comparison looks clean and easy to read. You can choose to display the source format by clicking Show Source Formatting in the ribbon. Just like in your other Workshare comparison applications, Compare for Excel will color code any changes to make them easier to identify at first glance. You can use the legend to see what each color means. Row 15 is highlighted red, which means it's been deleted. Yellow indicates a direct change. This is a change made by a user within the cell itself. In this case, there have been 3 direct changes made in cells A1, A14, and C10. Green indicates an indirect change, which is where Excel automatically revise the data in the cell as a result of a direct change elsewhere. You can see that because the user made a direct change in cell C10, Excel has revised the value in cell H10, which is the sum of B10 to G10. Find your way through the changes using the Previous, Next, First Change, and Last Change buttons in the ribbon. If your document contains lots of changes, and you are only interested in changes to, say, text or numbers, you can deselect all of the other options in the Change Types filter section. For more resources from Litera, check out our support site at support.litera.com.